How's it going, everyone? Today we're going to be making the Taco Bell grilled cheese burrito. This is actually a new item. I think it's like a month or two old. I saw it when they first released it. I feel like the hype for it is not so high. I didn't see many people ordering it or making videos about it, but I still thought it's going to be a pretty good recipe to show y'all how to make it at home. Usually fast food remakes do well. I enjoy them because, you know, I get the cleaner version of it at home. It tastes a lot better. Usually, hopefully, it'll taste a lot better. So let's get it. So for our taco seasoning, we're gonna make our own. We're gonna go with a little bit of thyme, a bunch of salt, some paprika. I like to use the smoked paprika, a bunch of oregano, a little bit of cumin, garlic powder, and a bunch of chili powder. And then just to make the Spanish rice, we're gonna go with some garlic and tomato paste. These are not necessarily for the meat, but we're gonna mix these together to make our, our taco seasoning. And then we're gonna use some for the rice, and we're gonna use some for the ground beef. So this is the seasoning. We just mixed it all together. We're not going to use all of it, and we're not going to split it 50-50. I'm just going to give you the ratio so you could make your own spice blend. It's a lot better when you make it by yourself. It's like, in my opinion, more delicious. We're going to toss on as much as we need for the ground beef and as much as we need for the rice, and it's going to turn out delicious. So I'm using an 80-20 ground beef. If you want a lower fat content, you could go with 90-10 just to save a little bit on the calories. But again, you probably wouldn't be making a Taco Bell burrito if you want it to be, so-called healthy. If you want to do, a substitute for the Frito-Lays, usually they use a spicy flaming hot Frito-Lays, but I couldn't find, so I'm just using the chili cheese. They're going to be similar. And just to add a nice little crunch, you could go with some bell peppers, use a low-fat sour cream, use a low-fat cheese, and you do have, I guess, a lot cleaner version if you would like. So I'm using a basmati rice. You could use whatever rice that you prefer, to be honest. You want to start on some butter. And now to your melted butter, I'm going to add the garlic. This is just mashed up garlic in my tomato paste. And now once you've cooked out that really strong edginess of the tomato paste, I'm going to add a bunch of the seasoning. I'll write down how much in the description. So now I got my beautiful rice. I fluffed it up. It's nice and beautiful. The butter adds a nice little texture and creaminess to it, along with the garlic and the tomato paste. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of lemon juice just to brighten everything up. Mix it all up, and now you got this beautiful rice. Okay, now we got our nice little 8-inch tortilla. We're gonna toss on in the center a little bit of that rice. We don't want to go too crazy just so it doesn't burst. I think I could get away with a little bit more, to be honest. There we go. And then we're gonna go with a little bit of our ground beef. The ground beef came out extremely good. Making your own spice mix was a great idea. And then this is when it starts to get into a heart attack. We're gonna go with a little bit of nacho cheese. I don't want to go too crazy just because we're adding other stuff. And then we're gonna go with just a Chipotle mayo, just a Chipotle sauce. This is what they add. I just mixed in a little bit of mayo with some Chipotle. You could make it or buy it yourself. And then, because you know Taco Bell is very healthy and family friendly, Weight Watcher friendly, I mean, they add low fat sour cream is what we have here, probably just for the creaminess. And then to finish off everything, they go in with the Fritos flaming hot, what's it called? Frito chips or whatever, but I couldn't find them. Nowhere in Flint do they have them, so I'm using this chili cheese one. We're gonna top this. This is just so I could add a nice little crunch. The chili cheese is gonna be as good, it just won't be as spicy. And then we're gonna close this bad boy up. We're gonna pinch in the sides like this, and then we're gonna fold over the burrito. We're gonna tighten it up a little bit and keep on rolling. And now you got a gorgeous burrito. Nice. So this is where the grilled cheese portion comes up. You're actually gonna toss on a 3 cheese blend onto a nice hot skillet. It's gonna start melting the cheese. No oil, nothing. You're gonna put the cheese, and then you're gonna put that burrito on top, and it's gonna get really crispy and it's gonna get crunchy. It's actually insane, no joke. Like, I slept on this, I ain't gonna lie. And now we got our cheese melting. I'm gonna toss on the burrito, press it down so it starts to sear in, and then after a little bit, we'll start to turn it. So it covers the whole surface. All right, and now we got our beautiful grilled cheese burrito. I'm gonna slice this bad boy in half. And then we have final product. That's insane. All right, bring it up, bring it up. And now, bismillah. Bro, that's crazy. Bro, like it makes you like contemplate life. Wallah. Oh my God. Like this or like this first?
I don't think it matters.
We're gonna wrap, oh nice. We're gonna wrap this bad boy up. Why do I feel like I rolled this? What is this? This is a bite.
It's like a burger.
Right. This is a wrap burger. What do we do?
Yeah.
Are you recording?
Yeah.